Hello everyone, I'm Product Manager Elmo from DAZero. DAZero is an expert in smart management. We solve difficulties facing in the process of digital transformation from metal processing industry and manufacturing industry, as well as profound domain know-how capability. Integrating cloud and edge digital technology. There are quite a lot of successful cases in metal processing industry. We provide introduction with smart manufacturing system and resource integration with lean management consulting service based on user need. Have you ever thought, how does digital transformation reduce human and financial burden of the factory? Standardization is key. Digital transformation of factory will not be easy. Step-by-step planning and cooperation are required. DAZero help the factory build the foundation of digital transformation. Equipment, personal, process, and quality. We provide module function service for these four aspects. After implementing DAZero system, safe and stable cloud monitoring enable more data to be analyzed. It also could be connected with financial system, therefore improve wasteful behavior and decision-making quality. One of the forming industrial corp in southern Taiwan has successfully completed digital transformation, delivery, high efficiency and quality. It also could provide customer with traceable production history and implementing in the electricity, vehicle, safety part, supply chain. We will expand the business map to the manufacturing market in Southeast Asia and United States, providing digital solution and supporting customers to proceed digital transformation with ease.